So guys, good morning. We're gonna go for a morning swim before we go. Uwi na kasi kami. So, actually ako lang ang magsiswim. Susunod na lang si John and si Nicole. She can't be bothered getting up. So, she's gonna be sa unahin for now. But yeah. Full time. So guys, balik na tayo kasi check out na namin today. So uwi muna tayo. So guys, ito na ang last few minutes na nandito kami kasi we're going home. Pero magpupunta daw yata muna kami either outlet or anywhere else, or probably stay by the beach while we wait for our flight because we don't fly till 8 PM anyway. But yeah, last view. So yun. Yes, and naka-outfit change tayo. Walang pakialamanan. See you guys later. So guys, aalis na po talaga kami. This is it. So guys, kung napapansin nyo, may dala akong bag. Kasi doon yung nakalagay yung shoes ko. I don't wanna change it. Hindi pa ako ready for going home. I don't wanna go home yet. Tsaka ang dami kong bag. Charan! So guys, As you can see, hindi pa din kami nakapasok ng car. Kasi ano sila, nagpipictorial lang doon. Makikita niyo yun? Sa may punong malaki na yun, nagpipictorial pa sila. At wala kaming susi. Wala akong susi. Kasi iniwan ako ni Nicole dahil she's gonna get the keys. So, isang malupit na ikot. Tsaka hello. Uy, ako isang crop top ko. Ano? So guys, may po-point out lang ako kaya tayo nagka-vlog. Yes! Pakita mo yung malaki mong camera.
Yes!
Vloggerista din to. Tingnan naman laki ng camera.
Yes!
Ang laki!
Diba? Kaso wala kang visibility dyan.
So guys, we are back in Albufeira. Ayan. Asan?
Lalangoy.
Nalangoy kami dito sa Albufeira. Charis. Ang arte. Albufeira. So ayun guys. See you guys in a bit. So guys, dito nga tayo ulit. And look, nasira yung clip ko. So nagpaalam na kami. Tinapon ko na siya sa basurahan. So naghanap kami ng bagong clip. And yes, nakapangbihis na naman ako ng pampaligo. Kasi alam mo, gusto ko talaga naliligo eh. Pero maghanap din ako ng clip at the same time. So see you guys in a bit. So guys, meron ako sila. Thank you, Aliop. So guys, balik naman tayo dito. And we're gonna look for something to eat. So see. And then, Rock Cafe. Steakhouse. Ayun, ganda na natin yung ano, Kotor. Asia. Oh yeah, for Asia as well. Parang ang daming kumakain dito.
Ano, mami? Hello! Me! Dito tayo kumain.
So guys, we're now in Josie Hardin. So we're getting our food here now. So guys, nag-change kami from Hardin and whatsoever. Dito kami pupunta. Kasi si Tita is being picky with food. So last time na nandito tayo, hindi talaga tayo pumunta dito sa part na to. Kasi pumunta tayo dito sa part na yun. So ngayon dito naman tayo mag-explore. As we look for a restaurant that Tita would like to eat at anyway. Lalakad lang tayo. So yung ba makita yung kita ko? Ito. So yun. So far, yun pa lang. Kasi after that, that's closed. So dito daw kami pupunta sa authentic Portuguese foods. Comida típica portuguesa. Like, mga foods nila. But anyway, we are here. So hopefully we stay and we eat. Because man's hungry. Sayo?
Ano sa'yo?
So, pikabaw, calamari, bread, and oil. talaga alam bakit nag-flip siya. Pero yan, pikapaw. Wala talaga. Huli. Pero di ko long.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we got kataplana, kway, and chicken. So we are leaving them. Kasi nabusog na kami. We already got what we wanted. That's it. Nagpa-shoot si Mata. We'll just put a blanket out. So we're back at the beach. So we're bitching. We're bitching. And the sun is we're bitching and the sun is sunning.
We're bitching.
So guys, tapos na kami maligo and nakishower na din kami. So, oh, sorry. Thank you. Ayun, so babalik na kami. I don't really know kung saan pa kami pupunta afterwards. But, we'll see how it goes. Guys, si Tarzan. Halika na. Bye, I'll be free. Charis. I wanna buy some of this. So, pauwi na kami. We're heading to the airport. Thank you, Portugal.
Bye. Bye.
Raulo. Isip talaga kahit kailan.
I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. Freestyle, go! Strangers like these think of you if you ever think of me. And I need you. And I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time will pass me by? Did you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight? Fast pace is fast as I'm homebound. Just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, really. And now I wonder I could fall into the sky. Do you think time will pass me by? You know I want 1,000
So guys, we are now taking the car back. Goodbye car. Thank you Portugal. We're back in OK Mobility. And look, at dami kong dala guys. So yeah, anyway. See you guys later at the airport. So guys, we are leaving the OK Mobility. We are leaving now. Away. Huh? So dito na kami sa bus service to go back to the airport. Wala, binigyan sila. So guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Kunin namin yung bagahe. We're heading to inside the airport. Did you have a good holiday, Con?
No, it's terrible.
Terrible. Wow. Dramatic. Huwag ka manonood ng YouTube ko ah. And don't comment. Joke. Okay guys, say isa. Hit na kami, pa-security. Kita tayo on the other side. So guys, we've just passed security and we're heading. And so,
How about at Samoris,
so guys, may announce lang ako sa makakakuha nito. You really think you're very special pag naitaguyod ko, pag pinapasok ng EasyJet. Pero pag wala, then wala. So guys, we've been here. Look, ito yung hiding spot dito ni Tita Femi. Oh, dito. Yung hiding spot ni Tita Femi.
Oh yeah!
Diba?
Oh, the space of time. Ooh, is that a Pizza Hut?
I can smell of bloody pizza. Where are we eating? We're gonna walk around with lovely Femi over here. No, magbabay nyo lang kami. Sige na, bye-bye. So guys, everybody's watching football. Look behind me. There. They're all watching football. Everybody's invested. Meanwhile, while everybody is so invested regarding the football, someone is still stuck in Korea. When everybody's going, oh, tumatawa siyang mag-isa. Alright, Miss Korea. So guys, we're heading to our gate. And look, busy pa siya. Busy pa nanonood. Look. Yes. Hello, andar na tayo. Hello, miss. Andar na tayo. Mamaya ng Korean Nemo.
Sandali lang, nag-iinip ako ng gumot.
Diba? Guys, layo na may lakad namin. Ayun lang, diba? Nandito na kami. Diba? Ang galing naman ng bulaklak.
Layo ah. Tayo na pinita natin.
So guys,
In my head, I'm just going
ito,
to like.
nakasakay na kami.
Like
May isang babae dito. Pinagpilitan niya yung Korean niyang telenovela. Naka-4 na episode na na-download. Ato, anyway, sige na, bye-bye. Bye Portugal! Thank you! So guys, we are now in the plane. Siyempre, L tayo. So mamaya meron tayong video of taking off and landing. Well, hopefully I'm awake at that time. So, see you guys in a bit. mapapansin nyo, lahat kami basa. Kasi umuulan sa labas, malakas. Si Jan nandiyan pa. So guys, we made it past immigration. Magay kayo sa bucket hat ko. At nandito kami mga abangers. Yosi. Hindi ko kaya. I might just die. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, they know I have like a really severe asthma, so I try to stay away now. But anyway, let's get back to the point. We're still waiting for the bus. Ganyang shuttle. Take us to the airport. Pero once upon a time, I think years, or I don't know, dati dyan lang, you know, the drop off ko lang dyan, si ikot lang, ganyan. Malapit lang talaga. But not anymore. So guys, we are now in the UK. Different car, same people, same seats, but different side of driver.
And it's raining.
And it's raining.
Kung pumunta pala.
We are now home. So guys, dito na lang matatapos ang aming vlog. And thank you for coming with us today, and see you on my next vlog.